I'm going to show you how to answer this exam question. So we need to simplify fully 6x cubed plus 26x squared minus 20x, all divided by 5x squared plus 23x minus 10. So to simplify this algebraic fraction, I'm going to factorise the numerator and the denominator to hopefully find at least one common factor that will cancel, okay? So let's start by factorising the numerator. So I'm just going to rewrite it out down here. And to factorise this, I'm going to start by taking out the common factor 2x. I can see that each of these terms is divisible by 2x, so that's our common factor. Okay, so inside the brackets we should have 3x squared plus 13x minus 10. Remember, when you expand or multiply out these brackets here, it should take you back to what you started with, okay? So we haven't finished, as we need to factorise this quadratic next. So I'm just going to rewrite the 2x, but this time we have two sets of brackets. And I can fill in the first two numbers here straight away. They should be 3x and x, since 3x multiplied by x gives us the 3x squared. Now the remaining numbers in these brackets should be positive 5 on this side and negative 2 here, as negative 2 multiplied by 5 gives us our negative 10, but we also have 15x here minus 2x, which simplifies to 13x. Okay, so we've fully factorised. Now, if you don't feel confident factorising quadratics like this, I do have another lesson which shows you a method called PAF, P-A-F, which helps you factorise those more difficult quadratics. Okay, so do have a look at that if you're not sure about factorising here. Okay, so let's just write that numerator in its new factorised form up here. And next we're going to factorise the denominator, okay? So I'm going to rewrite the denominator down below. So we've got 5x squared plus 23x minus 10. So we're factorising another quadratic, so I need two sets of brackets. And I can start by filling in these two numbers here. They have to be 5x and x, since 5x multiplied by x gives us the 5x squared. And the remaining numbers inside the brackets on this side should be positive 5, and over here should be negative 2, since negative 2 multiplied by 5 gives us negative 10. And we also have 25x minus 2x, which simplifies to 23x. But again, if you're not sure about the factorising here, do have a look at my other lesson on PAF, okay? So we've fully factorised the denominator. So I'm going to rewrite that up here. And then hopefully you can see already the common factor which can be cancelled. Okay, there's a bracket on top which is the same underneath, x plus 5. Okay, if you divide x plus 5 by itself, you get 1, which is why it's cancelled. Okay, so the final answer is 2x for the numerator, and then inside the brackets 3x minus 2, all divided by 5x minus 2, and there's nothing else which can be cancelled there, so that is the final answer.